what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando for a penguin trek / general park update. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Not too much of a wait to get inside today as it is a Thursday. Just like it probably should be, all the Christmas decorations are down in the front of the park and hopefully in all of the park. They do have the 2024 merch in the front of the gift shop. So yeah, that's all out. We got some long sleeve t-shirts. Got the t-shirts from last time. And then they got some random ornaments, picture frames, and then some tumblers. We have some breaking news. The pin wall is no longer there. It's been replaced by a hat wall. What? I'm not sure I approve of this. Pins are now on a spinner over here right next to it. So, I mean, it's not too bad. It's right next door, but I'm still not sure if I approve. Right now, during the month of January, they have the inside look tours going on. So that's going to be running from January 13th through the 15th and January 20th through the 21st. So you can experience and tour inside the animal care at SeaWorld. So they have an inside shark encounter, inside marine mammal care, and inside wild Arctic, and inside SeaWorld Rescue Center. Penguin trek time. We're by the site. Let's go inside and see what, well, not go inside, I wish. Let's go over and see what's new. The pathway is still closed, but it's been replaced by a kind of see-through netty fence. So yeah. Good news, Sky Tower's open today. Let's go inside and look at those views. That is a lot of birds near the Sky Tower. Interesting, I think they're having a meeting.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Did you know that SeaWorld has red to the wild?
Remember we wrote the shoots together.
Over by the Manta side, we do have some new fencing up with a crane. I don't expect this area to close off now that the other pathway is closed, but that is just a guess. But good news that the crane is over here, as we do expect some work to start over here also. Sea lion time. Time to check out what's going on over here. All I gotta say is there's some interesting poses today. Also in January, they do have the free beer that is back. So it's running January 12th through the 31st. Anybody over the age of 21 can get a free 7-ounce beer a day. Over by Orca Stadium and the new pizza place, we have Coaster Coffee Co. Express coming. Sounds fancy. The Orca Stadium is still down for renovations. However, remember you can still view the orcas at the Orca Encounter or dine with orcas. So over by the Pretzel Kitchen, they got these brand new machines. I've seen them before at retail stores. They might look a little different. I've seen them at like Uniqlo, but you put your items on there, like say pretzels or a drink. It's gonna know exactly what it is. Somehow, I don't know how it works, but yeah. And there's some items like alcohol. It's gonna know that it's alcohol, and it's gonna ask for an ID. So the ambassador is gonna come over and get your ID. And then stuff like, you know, for passes, of course, the ambassador still would have to go over and manually do that. But yeah, so neat and it's great. I love it. Sea of Trees is gone. Ping chicken update. They are chickening and they are paying. So yes, looking good. Well, that's gonna do here from SeaWorld Orlando for the Penguin Trek / General Park update. We got to see a little bit more track on the site, as well as the brackets for the netting have appeared also. Crews are continuing to work as the crane has also appeared over by the Manta area, which means good news. The track looks like it may be continuing to be fully completed coming up here soon. We also got to see that there's a new Coaster Coffee Express over by the Infinity Falls area, which is very exciting. Orca Stadium work continues to be done, and yeah, generally it looks good around the park. So follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!